stop scrolling. If you've ever tried to find a TikTok video you watched before but couldn't, this video is going to save you a lot of time. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to find your TikTok watch history step by step in 2026, even if the option feels hidden. Let's fix it in just a few seconds. Open your TikTok app and make sure it's fully updated to the latest version. Using an outdated version may hide some new features, so this is important. Now go to the bottom of your screen and tap on the profile icon. This will take you to your account page where all your settings are stored. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the menu 3 lines icon. From the list, select Settings and Privacy to open your account controls. Scroll down until you find Activity Center and tap on it. This section contains your engagement history and activity tools. Inside Activity Center, locate and tap on Watch History. Here you'll find a complete list of all the TikTok videos you've recently watched. You can scroll, revisit, or search through them easily anytime. And that's it. You've successfully unlocked your TikTok watch history in just a few steps. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick TikTok tips and hidden features. Comment below if it worked for you or if you want another tutorial.